Hello, my name is Uzoma and I'm 18 years old. I'm currently an aircraft maintenance engineering apprentice at British Airways and I am in my second out of the 3-year course. The reason I chose this apprenticeship is because I've always had a great interest in aviation and fixing things. I also admired the on-the-job experience I can get as an engineer, and also working with great megastructures such as aircraft. I also chose this apprenticeship pathway because of how much practical experience I can get whilst on the course, and also being able to develop my skills working alongside great engineers. I also like the fact that I get to study a specific qualification that can grant myself a role within the industry at the end of my apprenticeship. What I enjoy about aircraft maintenance with British Airways is that each day is never the same, with different tasks needed to be carried out. This keeps me active and enthusiastic. I love the fact that I work on aircraft, in which the next day I see departing elsewhere, knowing I was part of keeping the plane in top tier condition. Working in a great company with great and helpful people really is a big positive for me. Being able to wear a British Airways badge really inspires me to keep aiming high no matter what, as it was my dream from young to be an aircraft maintenance engineer. My advice to people thinking about an apprenticeship would be, if possible, find an apprenticeship of your choice, which you know can help you progress towards your end goal. I would always say that you should never turn down any opportunities that come your way, but in fact, keep yourself active and apply for them. I would also say, never be afraid to ask questions, especially in an apprenticeship environment. The more questions you ask, the more you develop with knowledge. You should also never give up with your career plans, because no pathway is simple and easy, but the ones that stay focused and determined will get there eventually.